Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We've got a 2021 Sandpiper fifth wheel FKOK. Front kitchen, outside kitchen. One-touch leveling. Pass-through storage. Outside speakers. Power awning with LED accent lighting. This unit has the side marker, over the door, and rear camera prep. We've got two entry doors, camp kitchen, microwave, mini fridge, faucet, and grill. Also got a ladder on the back. This is equipped with the Wi-Fi router, range extender, extra large grab handle on the entry door. Now, this is a couples model with a front kitchen. There is lots and lots of counter space here, lots and lots of storage. Residential refrigerator, microwave, center island sink. Cabinet doors on the Sandpipers are self-closing. "47-inch fireplace, Bluetooth stereo system, flat screen TV, height-of-bed couch, recliners, big closet, and it's also prepped for a washer dryer, so you could put either one in. Seat in the shower, lots of headroom. Bedroom area. Space for another TV. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.